Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we are making pan de elote. I hope I pronounced it right, but it's a Mexican cornbread. I got this recipe from someone all the way from Mexico. Gracias, mi amor. So, let's get into it. Preheat your oven to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. My blender isn't big enough, so I'm blending it in 2 steps. Put in the corn. Let's see if I can break an egg with one hand. I really need to practice this more. Practice makes perfect, right? Anyhow, add in 4 eggs. Blend everything together and pour everything into a bowl. First step is done, so on with the second one. Put in the remaining corn along with melted butter and a full can of sweetened condensed milk. Also add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Blend this as well and add it to the bowl. The wet part is done, so now remains the dry part. Add the flour, cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift this into the wet mixture and fold everything together until there are no lumps left. Add the mixture to a prepared baking tin. Tap it a few times to remove the air bubbles. Bake this for 40 to 50 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Plenty of time to see my dog misbehave and having fun. Take the cake out of the oven and let it cool for 10 minutes before demolding it. Turn the cake around to remove the parchment paper and let it cool completely on a wire rack. Put a good amount of icing sugar over the top, because who doesn't like sugar? I'm really happy with the result and especially love the yellow color. Enjoy! And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what recipe you want to see next, and of course, I see you in the next video.